Merry meet magical souls, and welcome back to another magical video. Looks like Maleficent wants to say hi to everyone. We have the Witch's Roots box for the month of March, and I couldn't be more happier to unbox this because they're just so amazing, guys. I just love the Witch's Moon. Be sure to check them out. They're linked down below. They just always have the most magical items that make my month so happy and magical. Maleficent's just chilling with me at the moment. So without further ado, let's open their Witch's Roots box up. So ooh, we get an oracle card too. So I love their new packaging, guys. They have the cutest little bow with this metallic ribbon that they've been doing that's holding the little info card together with, and the oracle card. So cool, guys. It says the magical item. So the theme is Magical Potency Volume 1, guys. So this is the first volume in this collection. It says, as practitioners, we are always searching for and discovering new methods and ideas for drawing potency into our craft. You find that the information we need the most at a specific time is most commonly provided to us through spontaneous introduction, allowing us to conduct the dots of revelation. The discovery of magic through practice, research, and emulation can prove to be one of the most exciting aspects of our journey. We begin to understand our surroundings more deeply and connect with our purpose more innately. In this very special collection, we work with a very unique variety of tools to boost our magical potency and bolster our ability to bring real change and manifestation into our lives. The magical items in this box are as follows. I'm so excited, guys, and I'm gonna keep the little oracle card to myself, but I'm so excited to see all the magic in here. What? There is the magical artwork for Ginger, and this one is the herbal potions and brews, and I'm just in love. I want to have this Book of Shadows artwork on my altar all year round, guys. It is so beautiful. I'm in love with that artwork. And everything's always packaged so amazing. Nothing's gonna be breaking on us, guys. It looks like there's a little green sachet in here, and there's some kind of stone. It looks like an agate crystal. Is it blue lace agate? Nope. It's some form of agate. I forget what you call it, but it's a beautiful stone. So this is dendritic agate tumblestone, guys, also known as the growth stone. Dendritic agate is a wonderful source for inner strength. The dendrites are shown to grow through the stone as if it were a stretching branch from a tree. This symbolism represents the inner growth and shadow work that we all must walk through. Allow this dendritic agate to help you gain new wisdom through looking into your shadows. Ooh, beautiful shadow work, guys. Done a lot of it, but who knows, might need to do more. It's so cool. So we got that beautiful stone that was in this pouch, the dendritic agate. And ooh, what is this? Oh my god, guys, it's a triple moon goddess something. Ooh, and it's in wood? What? Oh, you just gotta get so excited when you see the triple moon goddess symbol. What is this? There's no needles, but it's giving me the vibe. I'm like, oh no, is this for blood magic? So there's a bunch of these little, like, flat nails that are in the inside. So I wonder what kind of magic this is for, guys. It says... Oh, this is a triple moon herb grinder. We are thrilled to be able to include a beautiful triple moon herb grinder within this collection. This tool can be very useful and is small enough to carry with you on any journey away from home. Once the top and bottom of this herb grinder have been opened, place a small amount of any dried herb you choose in between the posts. Once the top has been placed back in position, use both hands to move each side opposite from each other. You will begin to feel the herbs breaking down. The grinder easier to move. Keep this within your herbal cabinet or close to an area of crafting. Oh, so you go like this and you grind herbs. Now I get it. Oh, that's so cool. This would be so perfect for making potions or making the dried little herbs to put on your charcoal disc to burn, to cleanse, and do your magics. Oh, okay, I get it now. I'm like, what is this? It's so neat. Totally wasn't expecting that, guys. And there's a couple more things in this box. It looks like we have a magical anointing oil for this month, guys. This one is... This one is the Terra Anointing Oil, guys. I wonder if this is for Terra Buddha, maybe? It says, this very potent and powerful Terra Anointing Oil was created with the intention of enhancing any magical workings that incorporating natural elements. As you use this oil, be sure that your intentions are clear. Call upon the natural guides that surround your work, seeking guidance and understanding and inspiration. We will often recite short intentional mantras as we use these oils to anoint our skin or magical tools. We have enchanted the magic anointing oil with clove, vanilla, and cedarwood oils, and have included the herbs of motherwort and basil as well. Inside your oil, you will find a Lemurian cord set to personify oneness within your aura. We have included a special mixture of our own Gaia magical anointing oil from our own personal cabinet of witchery. I love when they add their own oil from their own personal cabinet of witchery. Oh my god, guys, this smells so good. Ooh, this smells so good. I can't wait to use this one. It's so beautiful. I love this one so much, guys. And fingers crossed I'm not washed out because I was too dark earlier, so I brought up the ring light. Oh my god, what else is in here? Ooh, we have all the magical things. We have Fiora's Embrace Ritual Tea. We have some ginger root, guys. Oh my god, Chinese people, we love using this ginger stuff when we're sick to clear like stomach and everything. So ginger is highly used in the Asian culture. It says ginger root, Zimberg offergale. Ginger resonates from the Mediterranean Southwest Asia and is found within the same family as turmeric, cardamom, and galbanol, also known as zimbershi, if I'm pronouncing any of this right. It is said that the word ginger comes from the Sanskrit word surguram, interpreted as both words horn and body combined, referencing to the shape of the ginger root. The first written record of ginger was found within the Analects of Confucius and is said to be one of the oldest spices on record. It is said that Confucius would eat ginger with every meal. Throughout the history of magic, ginger has been eaten before a spell to bring new energy potency to the practitioner. The ginger contains heat within the stomach and thus magnifies and strengthens the energy enacted. And there's more info on this beautiful herb, guys. And just a heads up, I didn't know that, and that was super neat, that you eat a piece of ginger before your magical workings. And a way you guys can do that that is so yummy and not gross is ginger candy. Especially around Chinese New Year, the Chinese people have ginger that's dried, and they sweeten it, and it's like a ginger candy. So you can eat a little piece of that and have it in a cute little magical jar on your altar. Or you can also add a little piece of ginger to your tea. That's more like probably practical, but if you want something sweet, some Chinese ginger candy could be so yummy, guys. So I thought that was super neat, and how Confucius was using it too. It also looks like there is some magical incense for this month. It is called the Forest Floors. I think they've given us this one before. I think this one's a really good one that I like. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh my god, it smells so good. I love this one, guys. This is one of my favorites. They've given it to us in a past witches box. Oh my god, I love this. It smells so yummy like the forest. And I live in the forest, but this is a different kind of forest. It is so good. I guess the way to describe it, guys, is like I live in the mountains, so I have pine and cedar. But if you go to like maybe, is it considered Europe, like Norwegian side, like that, their forest like looks different. And then you guys go to Canada, and then there's just so many different forests, like the Mediterranean forest, the tropical forest, like, oh, that one has its own unique smell. And we got a magical beeswax ball candle to create some magic with, so this box is super exciting, guys, because last month in one of their boxes they gave us one of these books that's behind me, and theirs was about, I believe, making potions and brews and incense. So with like all the herbs and stuff, I can really get crafting, and oh, I'm so excited to make my own cleansing incense and loose incense and potions and all the magic. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Witch's Moon, for another magical box. This box was so amazing. Be sure to check them out. Link down below, guys. It's in the comment section and description box. Let them know that I sent you. They have a magical moon market and these beautiful subscription boxes. So let's say I was raving about this incense, guys, and you wanted to only buy that. Go on their moon market, check them out, and they have this just under incense. They're awesome. I just love them, guys. They're quality, craftsmanship, thought, and care, and everything is truly one of a kind. I'm so in love with everything. So be sure to give the video a thumbs up as well. Be sure to turn on your post notifications down below so you're always notified for my future content. And like always, guys, from heaven to earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, also blessed by the power of the full moon in this time and space. In the name of Goddess Nyx and Goddess Hecate, may you always be blessed and rejuvenated in the mother and daughter, Goddess Nyx and Goddess Hecate, this loving embrace. My cat's staring into my soul. Hi, Maleficent. Blessed be. Merry meet, merry part, merry meet again, magical souls.